Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Reno 14, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your hotspot. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen and find the hotspot toggle, which for me is right over here. Now once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it and then selecting more settings, as this will take you to the actual settings, and here you can change the password, which will be randomly generated. Now it will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and once you set it up, you can save it. Next, I'm going to close this, find the toggle once more, and this time around all you need to do is just simply tap on it. This will turn it on, and from now on you can connect to your hotspot. Now keep in mind, hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, you can tap on this toggle once again to quickly turn it off. And in the settings, there is also this option, turned on by default, automatically turn off personal hotspot after basically 10 minutes of inactivity. So if you forget about it, you don't need to worry about it, the device will turn it off for you by default, assuming you didn't change this option. But anyway, this basically sums it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.